Hello everyone, I'm Victor from MonChart. Today I will show you how to connect Netlify and turn your deployment and build data into simple charts you can monitor and share. You can track deployment frequency, build success, build duration and more in one place. First, sign in to your MonChart account using your credentials. Then go to Profile page and find Netlify and click Connect. Then go to your board page, choose your board name and click Add Tile and choose Netlify, and you can pick specific one and add all of them. Once your charts are ready, you can generate AI summary and get a quick overview of your data results. You can remove charts you don't need and keep the view focused on the metrics that matters to you. You can manage your privacy settings or make it public, or you can embed it into any websites and share with your team. Netlify Analytics is available with MonChart Premium and you can try it with 7 days free trials. You can also combine Netlify with Google Analytics, Search Console, YouTube, GitHub, Salesforce, Stripe, Zendesk, Jira, Cloudflare and other integrations. Connect your Netlify accounts, create your first deployment dashboards, and start monitoring your projects at monchart.com. And if this tutorial was useful, subscribe for more short tutorials on live dashboards and SaaS integrations. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.